Hello everyone, I'm Sovia and here we are going to solve SAT math problem. And the question for today is, we want to expand what is the result of 2x minus 1 power 5 here. Okay, so in here we must remember about Pascal triangle, yeah. So I will write here about Pascal triangle. Okay, actually Pascal triangle show us about the coefficient of polynomial, yeah. So it's mean that when we have here is a plus b, for example, yeah, power 0, so we know that the result is 1, yeah, because anything power 0 is equal 1. So in here we have 1 in Pascal triangle, and then in the second line we have 1 1 and then 1, and then you edit 1 and 1, so it becomes 2. It is 1, yeah. So in the left side and right side is always 1, yeah. So here we have 1, and then you have 1 plus 2 is equal 3. In here is also 3, in here 1 and 1, 4. Here is 6, and in here we have 4, in here 1. So in here we have 1, 5, 10, 10, and also 5, and also 1, yeah. Okay, in here I will show you, yeah, about the concept of Pascal triangle. So the first line, in here when you have a plus b power 0, so the result is 1, yeah. And if you have a plus b power 1, so actually the result is a plus b, yeah. So 1 in the left side show the coefficient of a, and 1 in the right side show the coefficient of b, yeah. And then when we continue in the third line, it is for a plus b power 2, and here is a plus b power 3, and here is a plus b power 4, and in the last line we have for a plus b power 5. Okay, so because our problem is power 5, yeah, so we will use this Pascal triangle, yeah. I mean the coefficient. Okay, so how to expand this equation, yeah? So actually you can write here, we have 2x negative 1 or minus 1 power 5. So in here you know that the value of a is equal to x and the value of b is negative 1, yeah. Okay, so we can start by looking the coefficient for 2x here, power 5. So you have 1. So in here you can write 1 and then multiply with 2x power 5. 2x is the value of a, and then multiply with b, it is negative 1 power 0. And then you can continue plus, we looking the second coefficient here, we have 5, and then you write 2x, and the power is subtract by 1. So when the first is power 5, now is power 4, yeah. And the power of b, you can increase by 1. So now is power 1. And you can continue, yeah. So we have 10 multiply with 2x power 3 multiply with negative 1 power 2, and then plus 10 again, yeah, multiply with 2x power 2 multiply with negative 1 power 3, and then plus 5 multiply with 2x power 1 multiply with negative 1 power 4, and then the last we have 1 multiply with negative 1 power 5. So the result is we have 1 And you must remember the result of negative 1 power 0 is 1, yeah? And in here is negative 1. In here we have 1. Here also negative 1. Here we have 1. And for negative 1 power 4, we have also negative 1. Okay, so the result becomes 1 multiply with 2x power 5 multiply with 1. So it becomes 32x power 5 there. And then minus 16x power 4 multiply with 5. So it becomes 80 x power 4. And then we continue here. 10 multiply with 8x power 3. So it becomes plus 80 x power 3. Then we can continue, yeah. Negative 40 x squared. And then we have plus 10x. And then the last we have negative 1. Okay, so I think the correct answer is B, yeah? So this is our solution.